Okay, what I'm going to show you here is one of the most powerful tools we have. We'll be able to use to drive traffic to a website. This particular tool is called Video Social Media Poster. Okay, I'm going to go over it by steps, so I'm going to take a little time. We do have here, we're at the home page, and I'm going to show you something called the social calendar. On the social calendar, there actually are videos. Let's say if I click links October 1st, I'll click on this day. And they're already pre-made videos, as you see right here. And the thing about this is you can post these videos, or you can also edit the video, and then you can also share the video to different social media networks. You can also do things like share them on social media networks, like as you see in here, like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Vimeo. You see all the other ones, Dailymotion, LinkedIn, everything, Medium, TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, and Pinterest. And now one of the key things with this is on these first three, you can actually schedule them to post on auto. Let's say at the first of the month, you can schedule one to post every day for the next 30 days. Or we can schedule it to post for the next 60, 90. Get somebody in there, and there's no limit to how far in advance you can schedule it. You can schedule it to post at a specific time, or you can schedule it to post at alternate times. The only thing is you have to go in there and manually set it up, and I'm going to go through a little demo on here. And as you see, what I've already done is I've set up some of our social media, accounts here. You see the Facebook, our Facebook page, and also YouTube account. I've set up the YouTube, and also we have the Twitter account, and a couple other accounts you see on here. And now also we have is called a template bank. And let's say you wanted to post a specific kind of video, whether it's going to be Facebook or TikTok or Instagram, and they all work a little differently as far as how you schedule them or how you post them. Like some of them, like TikTok or Instagram, those you have to actually manually post. Again, and I'll go over that shortly. But let's get back to the social calendar. Now, what's advantageous about this is you can schedule it like I was saying, or you can go ahead and post something right away. Let's say, I'll give you an example. Let's just say I want to post this video. Incidentally, did you know that every day of the year is actually a holiday? Believe it up, like look it up. Thought that was kind of interesting, but you can post this to build backlinks or things like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click share. Okay, and let's just post it on Facebook. And you go in there, select account. You can have several accounts in here, but let's just say I'm going to go ahead and post it in the CDW logistics. And for sake of argument, I'm not going to put any links in right now, but let's say I want to post it right now. So I click post. Okay, and remember that one was shared National Frappy Day. And it's already posted. And let's go to Facebook. You notice it's not there yet, right? So I'm going to go ahead and refresh. Okay, there we go. Took a second, but there it is. There's a post. Now let's get back to social media posts here. Now I want to show you what's so powerful about this. Let's say you schedule and somebody gets in and schedule it, and maybe I want to go to template bank, and I decide I'm going to go ahead on and look for something that's in a Facebook post. And see, there are literally hundreds of different Facebook posts or videos in here that we can customize. Again, they all say certain things on it, but everything about it can be customized, even so much as to what the actual video is in there. That can be customized. I'm not going to go through the whole process of doing it because I've already done some. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the projects and show you what I mean. Like, let's say like this one. Here's one I did for Facebook. I made this a little while ago. I customized it. And I'm going to go ahead on and share it. And it's going to Facebook. And let's say what I've done is I've created right here, I've created a little article, a little short part of an article. And you notice in here, I have the link the URL, which links back to our site. What's important about that is if you don't understand what backlinks are, this is creating a backlink. This is creating a backlink from Facebook's page to our site. And what that will do is help us in our SEO ranking. So it's important to post that. So let me go ahead and copy it. And notice we've also got the hashtags in there as well, because this will also help. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead on and let's just go to the CDW page again. And I'm just going to take that out and paste the message that I want to put in here. Okay, let's make it a little more uniform, separate the link so it stands out more. Okay, so the link's in there. Right now, I'm going to go ahead on and post this right now. So you see the effect of it. Okay, while that's posting, let me show you something. See, these are also scheduled posts. Okay, these are ones that I've already scheduled that are coming up. See, on Facebook, Twitter. Again, we can also do other ones. And here's some that I scheduled before that are already up. Okay, see, there's some TikTok ones and Facebook, but all of these went to our Facebook fan page, our Facebook business page. Okay, let's go to our Facebook page again, and let's do a refresh. Okay, there we go. There's our post right here. It's got the article, and as you see in here, and I added a thing to read the full article. Click on the link below, and again, it's created the backlink, and then also the hashtag. So if somebody does a search, this can come up. And again, you can, like I say, you can do whatever we can create whatever kind of video that we want in here, our own custom video, or use one of the ones that are in there, because you can upload our own video. And the idea is to get engagement on the videos, and video marketing, especially online, is one of, if not the most powerful tool to have on there. And you've also got the content, as you see in here, and then these are the keywords in here. And you can also add custom videos. As you see in here, you can do like left sidebar banners, has a length. You can change that. Let me show you what happens if you wanted to make a video. Let's go to the template bank, and let's say on this one we're going to do a quick tip one for Twitter. So basically, you go in there and let's say I want to pick one arbitrarily for Twitter. Oh, let's say the little puppy dog, he's cute. All right, we'll go ahead on there, click create. And as you see, this change, see now here is where I could actually change this media out. You can also change into whatever you want to say, as you see here. And also change the music, watch. Also, as you see previously, it could also change the colors as well. Well, this is the music that's on it. Well, let's say maybe I want to change it to this, or a different music. Oh, let's change it to something. I will change it to something crazy. What the heck? Now you see it's changed it, and so we'll go ahead on. And this will be for a doggy walking service. But like I said, again, you can change all of that. This is just for demonstration purposes here. And as you see, it's rendering. So we'll come back to that later once it's done. Usually takes about 5-10 minutes, depending on depending on the length of the video. Now for the other ones, let me go back to the social accounts. There's something you need. Let's say like for posting, like on Twitter or for Instagram or TikTok. There's also an app, because you see a mobile app, and that's done a little differently. Now, I'm not going to go into how to go about it done, because the training is already in here. If you click on where it says training, there's tutorials in here to tell you how to go about if you're posting to something like that, like creating a video. There's a tutorial in there, linking your social accounts, a tutorial for that as well, and also for sharing your video. There's a tutorial, and it goes through each and every one on how to share it. So there's no sense in me going through it here. Or you can go through and look at that at your own leisure. But at least you know it's there. And also for the support, if you click support, it'll actually go over to whatever support page we assigned it to. And you can change the settings as you see in here, you know, as far as changing emails, stuff like that, or if you wanted to change the password, you can do all of that as well. And let's see, we've got one other thing. Now here in the template bank, we've got another really powerful feature. This is called the Video Remaker. Okay, and what this does is, let's say you see a YouTube video that we like, and we want to, we want to repurpose it. Well, you can actually download it and basically repurpose it and put add text to it, change the colors of it, a lot of little things that you can do to make it our own. And you also have here video merge. Let's say if we've got, 2 or 3 or 4 videos that we, short videos we want to put together, we can do that. Then it's also here, which is a video speed changer. Now this comes in handy. Let's say if you're doing like say we want to post something to an Instagram reel. An Instagram reel, I believe they've got a 2-minute limit on it. But let's say the video we want to post is 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Well, you can go ahead and click this, upload the video, and then you can change the speed of the video. So maybe that the video finishes in 2 minutes as opposed to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. That comes in handy when you're posting to networks like that where they limit the length of the video. Okay, and I think we're pretty much covered it. I know I went through pretty fast, but what I recommend is to go into the training area and go through the videos and go that, like I say, that's some good information that'll give you a good, comfortable feeling on how to work with Video Social Poster.